Hey there, team. It is Jason Michael Hull coming at you here today. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to mark up a chart with this banker's strategy. So there's a couple different things to realize. This is TradingView, as you see up top here, tradingview.com, and you can get a paid account like I have, or you can get a free account that'll have some ads and things down here, which is fine as well. You'll notice that this is a naked chart, right, with just candlesticks, white for down and blue for up. And a couple other things you will notice over here as well. There's a camera button to take a snapshot of your markup after you've marked it up properly, as well as all the tools over here on the left-hand side. So I'm just going to do a simple markup on this pair. This is actually gold that happened today. This was a pair that some people took, but again, this is for a educational tutorial on how to do a simple markup with this strategy. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the horizontal line, and you want to first identify areas of areas where price is doing equal highs or equal lows. In this case, you can see right here, there's a bunch of equal highs right in there. Okay, so this is an area where you want to have that. Now, what you could do in this scenario is you could actually just draw a line instead of having that kind of a line. You could actually do a horizontal ray. Okay, you could do a couple different lines, an info line. There's a bunch of different ways that you could do this, but literally, there is that information as far as that goes. Again, there's a bunch of different ways that you could do this, but drawing a line where where price was having multiple highs, right, and equal highs, I should say, is a good place to do that. You could also do a trend line and just do a trend line, straight across. Now, if you look at my trend line right now, that's black, right? So if I click on that, it'll bring up what color that is, and I can change that to, let's say, that color. Awesome. So then I can move this a little bit. And again, this takes a little bit of time and skill and practice and all of that stuff. So here are your equal highs, right, in this area right here. And then you can come down here and you can put, you can do some symbols, like for instance, right in here to denote that there is, you have some money up here, right, where people have their stop losses and also their buy stops in this area. So this gives you an idea of, and a person that's looking at this chart as well, of what you're thinking about and what you're looking at. So you can put another dollar sign right here as well. Okay, so long story short, this is how you start the markup of your chart on TradingView. So now what you could do next as well is you could put another line down in this area where the price is having those lows. You obviously had a spike down and through here, but that's another zone that has a low. The whole point of this tutorial is just to show you how to draw lines, how to do a markup on TradingView. It's not to explain the whole banker strategy. So in this scenario, obviously, we had a push up into getting this money from the stop losses as well as the buy stops, and then we see this come back down. This is a perfect signature move as far as that goes, where breaks the highs, comes back into the lows. So, but long story short, again, this is not to give you an explanation of the banker strategy. This is to show you what we're looking for when we say we want you to mark up your charts if you want to learn how to do that. So this is how you do that, and then obviously show us where and why you're getting into the trade, or you want to get into a trade. Is it part of a banker's candle, which is like right in here? Here's a banker's candle, right? This is obviously banker's candle right here because we see this down push. Where's the mitigation in this? I mean, there's a whole bunch of different things you can put into this chart. that will help the person that's looking at it know what you're looking at and that you understand what you are looking at. So after you've done all of that and you have, you've pointed out where you think, your buy or your sell limit should be, at that point, you want to go ahead and take a snapshot, and that's right up here. There's a little picture, a little camera thing right here. You can also push Alt S on your PC, and if you go ahead and do that, you click a snapshot. It's going to go ahead and do this. You just click copy, and it says copied to clipboard, and then bada boom, bada bing. You just can paste that link into a chat or into Facebook, and that will bring up that link, and people can look and see. If this is something that is a good trade to take and give you some opinion. So hopefully that gave you a little bit more insight on how to do a markup on TradingView, at least the tools to use. And again, guys, this is a journey, right? This is a process, especially with this new strategy. It works amazingly, but it is going to take a little bit of time to understand how it works and to be able to get these things down. And more than anything, so that you can see, exactly what the banks are doing, so you can take advantage of it for yourself. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Hope that helps you with your markups, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Thanks. Bye for now.